Hello everyone, I am Heather and I'm here to give you a room tour today of a room that we are staying in for 2 nights on Friday, January 14th, 2022 and Saturday night, January 15th, 2022. We are staying at the Hampton Inn Suites in Glendale, California. Okay, we're on the 5th floor and we came all the way down this very long hallway, all the way to the very end. The elevators are all the way at the other end of the hallway. And there's rooms down here like around the corner. And there's this balcony you can go out here. It says balcony. And you can go out here. And they do have a, yeah, this is like for people who want to smoke. There's a little ashtray here. And you can see a view of the mountains off in the distance. And then when we go back inside, we're around the corner here with just us in 528 and the neighbor in 526, and we're kind of like on the corner. And we have a little coffee cup. Okay, so we come inside, and this room it's about $200 a night because I'm paying $400 and something. So here you can see the floor plan. It's like a L-shaped building and we are here. So that's kind of cool. And there is underground indoor parking in this building. And this is a type of Hampton Inn setup we've seen before. There's like the wood floor here. This is the bathroom, but we'll show you that in a minute. And then there is a big full-length mirror here behind her luggage. And there is a closet here, and it has an actual door that we can close. Extra blanket, ironing board, plenty of hangers, and a luggage rack. Okay, and then we have 2 queen beds with Ben looking out at the view. Ben, are you all right looking out at the view?
No.
And 2 queen beds is nice. It's not the biggest room. It's kind of tight in here for the 3 of us, but I feel like what makes that less of a thing is these big, huge windows that we have over here. Go to there. This part is wall. And then we have like this little corner window here. That's a window too. We have a Shake Shack. We ate at Shake Shack for lunch. Not that one, a different one. And none of us had ever had it before, and we loved it and enjoyed our food very much. So, but there's one right down there in the corner, so maybe we'll eat there again. And you can see there's a furniture store and stuff. And again, you can see up into the hills and the mountains in the distance and the moon. We drove through Griffith Park to get here. And we cut through the Hollywood Hills through this neighborhood that like was completely cool and totally freaky. Okay, so looking back at the room this way, 2 queen beds, and we have like the desk over here. I like these, it's nice bright light colors. We have the desk over here, the TV, there is a microwave and a fridge. Whoops. And then they've got those pull-out shelves there. And then they've got these 2 nice rolly things, which these are nice. When we stayed in Chicago, we had this exact same setup, basically. And we used those to sit and eat because we didn't want to eat inside. Yeah. But these are also really good for putting your suitcases on. So that's what we'll probably use them for, because this is kind of tight in here. Yeah. It's going to be, yeah. But it's nice. And over here at the one big nightstand, there's just this pull-out shelf. There are 2 regular plugs and 3 USBs here, and a phone and an alarm clock. And we were happy to see both in these beds and in the beds that we stayed at last night at the H Hotel by LAX, the mattresses are all encased, which is very nice to see, because then that pretty much eliminates any bed bug problem.
Could you film the bathroom and the pretty tissue cactus?
Yes.
So that I can see
I have to say there was also a pretty thing going on with the toilet paper.
Oh yeah, yesterday too.
Yeah, there was like a flower, but I ruined it because I had to use the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It is a sliding door, but it does not share a door with the closet. So that's a bonus. One thing I notice, other Hamptons we've been at, there's hooks here and there's no hooks there to hang anything. There's one hook there. But there's a shower tub combo, toilet. The towels are on the shelves. Oh yeah, pretty flower thing in the Kleenex box. And like I said, they had done a pretty flower thing on the toilet paper there too. And there's a hair dryer here. Ben waving in the mirror. And see, look, mask chains, super handy. Megan and I love these. We've been wearing these arm mats on these all day, and then you just put them on when you need to. And then, as usual, at most Hampton Inns, you get Neutrogena products. And bonus, we got a shower cap, bath soap. We also got our hand soap, our facial soap, conditioner, shampoo, bath gel, and body lotion. So there you go. So that is our tour of our room at the Hampton Inn Suites, Glendale, California. And again, we are here for 2 nights. If you enjoy room tours like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, I would encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel content. Thanks for watching. Safe travels.